Gautam Buddha, also known as the Enlightened One, has always offered us answers to the most fundamental aspects of life and happiness through his teachings. Buddha advocated a way of life that is simple and universal. Indian Railway Catering and Tourism Corporation invites you to the Buddhist Circuit tourist train, which takes you through Buddha's journey of enlightenment. The package offers a 7 nights, 8 days journey covering some of the most important destinations related to Buddha's life, namely Lumbini, Bodh Gaya, Sarnath, Kushinagar, Rajgir, Nalanda, Shravasti, and also Agra. Begin your journey with a quintessential Indian welcome.
Buddha samannatti tasma sotti bhavantu te yang kinci ratanang loke.
Choose from 2 different types of comfortable air-conditioned accommodation. Enjoy sumptuous international and Indian cuisine in our onboard restaurants serviced by a well-equipped kitchen. Our trained onboard service staff works round the clock to make you feel at home.
It's like a hotel and it's on a train. So that is the uniqueness of this deluxe tourist train.
The lockers in the train and the CCTV cameras guarantee security. This spiritual journey will take you to Lumbini in Nepal, the birthplace of Gautam Buddha. This place is also known for Maya Devi Temple, named after Buddha's revered mother. Accommodation is provided in hotels at select destinations. The journey will also take you to Bodh Gaya, where Buddha attained enlightenment. The Mahabodhi temple here showers all its visitors with peace and tranquility. The journey will also sweep through Rajgir, famous for Venuvan and Gridakut. Where Buddha spent several years meditating and preaching. The tour will also cover Nalanda, the oldest university of the world and a significant Buddhist site.
Good morning everyone. Shortly we are reaching Varanasi. Thank you. Have a nice time.
The tour will take you to Sarnath near Varanasi, where Buddha preached his first sermon. Aided by experienced tour guides, guests will have enough time to explore every site. A tranquil boat ride to witness the evening aarti on the holy Ganges will leave you mesmerized. While on board the train, guests can re-energize themselves with a foot massager or read books from the mini library. The journey includes Kushinagar, place where Buddha attained Mahaparinirvana. The tour will also chuck through Shravasti, where Buddha is believed to have spent 24 Chaturmases, a holy period of 4 months. Finally, before returning to New Delhi, we visit one of the 7 wonders of the world, the magnificent Taj Mahal. As said, it is better to travel well than to arrive. Likewise, IRCTC's Buddhist Circuit Tourist Train invites you to embark upon this spiritual sojourn for a profound experience that you will cherish forever.